Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Auth0 and N8N workflows using JWT. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To authenticate with Auth0 and N8N workflows using JWT, begin by logging into your Auth0 dashboard. Create a new application by clicking on the Applications tab. Select Create Application and choose a name for your application. Set the application type to Regular Web Application and proceed. Once the application is created, navigate to the Settings tab. Take note of your domain, client ID, and client secret. You'll need these later. Scroll down to the Allowed Callback URLs and enter your N8N workflow URL. Also, update the Allowed Logout URLs and Allowed Web Origins to support your N8N instance. Next, go to the API section in the Auth0 dashboard. Create a new API by clicking on Create API. Name your API and provide an identifier. This will act as your audience. Set the signing algorithm to RS256 and save your changes. Now, head over to your N8N instance. In N8N, create a new workflow. Add a HTTP request node to your workflow. Select the method type based on your API needs, such as GET or POST. In the URL field, enter the endpoint of your API. Next, navigate to the Headers section. Add a new header named Authorization. In the Value field, input bearer followed by a space. You'll need to generate a JWT token next. Using Auth0, navigate to the API Explorer tab. Select your API and click on Get New Access Token. Input the necessary parameters, including the audience and client ID. Make sure to select the Use Refresh Token option if required. Click Get Token to generate your JWT. Copy the JWT token generated. Return to your N8N workflow. Paste the JWT token into the Value field of the authorization header. You can now execute your workflow. Test your API call to ensure everything is set up correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.